Do you always burn your baking? Let's do some 𝒂𝒓 cheesecake today! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joey Pink and today we are gonna bake some 𝒂𝒓 cheesecake. Do you always burn your stuff? If you do, this is definitely easy for you. You will never go wrong because you are supposed to burn it like 𝒂𝒓 burnt. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients today. And I have already listed down the full ingredients list and the amounts you need in the description box down below. Alright, first up, let's line our baking pan with our baking sheet.
I like to grease my round baking pan with butter so it's easier to get a baking sheet to stay in place. Now trim it like how you will trim your own fringe.
Remember to have at least 2 inches of the baking sheet above your tray. Alright? Okay, let's move on to mix. Cream cheese at room temperature and let's mix it up. With the heavy cream. I forgot to preheat my oven.
I always sieve my flour no matter how little it is, and you should too. So I split this step into 3 portions to prevent lumping, and then once it's smooth, we'll add it to the main batter.
Once it's smooth, we can transfer this and combine with our cream cheese mixture. Alright, now let's transfer it to the baking pan. Okay.
You have to let it rest in the pan or it will collapse. And when you remove it from the pan, give it a gentle squeeze, crack the top to give it texture. Ta-da! When it's warm, it tastes like pudding, so it's best served chilled.
Remember to let it set, don't remove it off the baking tray immediately or it will collapse. Alright? And I personally prefer it chilled, so I will either leave it overnight or in the fridge for a few hours, then I will eat it. Alright, thank you for watching. I will list down all the ingredients you need in the description box down below, so you can check it out.
So I did a mini one to show you the right burnt. Yes, the big one was unhealthy, but we finished it anyway, cause it's yums. LOL.
Enjoy! Bye! Why is there always something going on?